Hey, pre-K teachers, it's your PBIS coaches, and we just wanted to welcome you back this year in a different way, so we thought we'd give a video a try. I'm Jessica Freeberg,
And I'm Shawnee Wilson.
and we just want to welcome you to a new school year. You have a bunch of new students coming your way, and maybe this is even a new job for you. We also realize we have some old things coming back with us this year, too, like our masks, like social distancing, like our COVID worries. Those are all old things that are coming into this new year with us. But you know what? We've got this. We can do hard things and we're good at this. We're pre K. We can do this together.
Yes, we can. As we think about starting this new school year, we want you to think about how do you want to show up for your students, and think about what might you need to be your best self for you, for your students, and your families. I know for me, I've been working on my sleep routines, right? So I have enough rest. And then I'm also realizing that even though I'm at work every day now already, that at night I still need to have fun, be outside because it's still summertime. So yeah, do those things.
So we just want to thank you for taking the time to watch our video and remember to reach out to us when you need anything. And we're really looking forward to working with you this year.